bike race all through the city, in the streets and everything else. So we're walking down into town from camp. We're gonna check out the event, try to find some cool spots to get some footage of the riders coming down. The streets here are super narrow and it should be a fun event. Well, on my way back up the hill, out of breath, gonna make it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to like, subscribe, hit the little bell for notifications next time. Hopefully I make it to the top of the hill for another video.